Hello fams, welcome back and happy new year once again. Today we'll be looking at how to pattern draft a boat neckline. A boat neckline is a high, wide and horizontal line because it extends towards the armhole. So I have my front borders and on the neckline raise it by half inch or 1.3 centimeter, and on the shoulder you measure about 2 inches or 5 centimeter, depends on how wide you want it. Then you connect as shown. It is very simple. Don't forget to share this video tutorial with friends, family and a lot of people. We appreciate you for 2022 and this 2023. We love it. We know the shaded part is what we're going to cut away, while this is the center back. You're doing almost the same thing with the center back, and the center back already have zipper seam allowance, which is very essential. That is if you want an opening at the back. Now someone will ask me, that's at the back, what's going to happen to it? Yes, the dart will be picked on your fabric. It is very simple. You close the dart on the fabric. What does that dart do? It's going to make the center back, the neckline on the center back, to be firm, so not to gape. So this is the first method. I'll be explaining or show you how to achieve the second method. There are two methods which I'm introducing in this tutorial, and you can as well adjust the neckline as much as you want, if you want it higher and if you want it lower. So thank you for staying tuned for the first method. Let's quickly see the second method. Welcome back to our channel. So we'll be looking at the second method now, and it is very simple. I've already traced out the center front, and remember this is half scale. This is the second method. So on the neckline, on the center front neckline, all you need to do is, you don't need to drop anything, you don't need to hide anything. Just measure on the shoulder seam line 2 inches or 5 centimeter and connect to the tip of the neckline just as shown now. It is very simple. Please subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, I love you, thank you, and if you haven't, I love you as well. I love you equally. Please share, please like. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.